Okay, what I want to do in this video is go over the startup protocol for running the Sandingmaster. Now, the first thing we're going to do is make sure the machine has air. And that gives it air right away. The next thing we need to do is go to the left side of the machine and make sure the blue button is turned to the right position. Then we want to open up the machine and make sure the belt is under tension. And in this case, the belt's not. We want to center it, and now it's under tension. We see the green button on top and the red stop button right below it. Those are the on-off switches. So basically, to turn the system on, we just tap the green button. To actually run our board, we lower the table down, slide the board in just a couple of inches until it's under the first roller. Then we raise it up. Stop automatically. And when it stops, I should still be able to wiggle it. Press the start button on the side. And move the lever. Rotated the knob 3 revolutions to bring it up. We're running the gauge somewhere between 0 and 20%. That's always good. To shut the machine down, push the lever to the red. That stops the feed belt. Push the red button on the side panel, and that stops the abrasive belt. When the machine is running, you never want to turn the blue switch. That will result in a shredded belt. When you're confident that the belt has stopped, then flip the blue switch. Cut the air, and then hit the stop button on the dust system to shut the dust system down.